Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between the sound of vowels A and E. Hi everyone, I am letter A. You know I am the first letter of English alphabet and I am a vowel. But I have different sounds. Let's learn them one by one. Apple, apple. Ambulance, ambulance. Arm, ask, arm, ask. Ear, ape, ear, ape. So children, have you noticed the difference between the sound of A in different situations? Ambulance, arm, ear. Now let's look at the different sounds of letter E. I am also a vowel. I have two different sounds. Egg, egg. Elephant, elephant. Egg, elephant. But when I am with a friend, here we can see two E's. Cheek. It's a long sound. Cheek. Sheep. Sheep. Keep watching my videos for different variations, exceptions and rules in English. Thank you for watching. Bye.